nearly 2 o'clock now. Lost an absolute lump earlier, about probably 45 minutes after I had that one earlier, the same rod. Gutted. Felt really heavy, really strong. Couldn't gain nothing on it after about 5 minutes. Got his head buried in weed and hook popped out just before I was about to get in a boat. Absolutely gutted. Can't do nothing about it, but matey on 12 still picking the odd fish up from the bay from time to time. There's still fish out there showing. The 2 rods are still ain't even touched since yesterday. They're still out fishing, and the other rod I've recast. But yeah, the new spot's done me 2 runs, 35, and then I lost that fish. So Dad's bay looks good. There's fish bubbling up in the bay. See what happens. I'll leave it now, a good couple of hours and redo the rods again. See what happens. But the fish are still showing, but they're all showing a sort of range. We've seen a few fish fishing close, but that's about as far as it's got. The bay spot looks good though. There's fish bubbling away in the bay, so there's a good chance you might get a pick up in that this afternoon at some point. Yeah, that's about it. Nothing else to really say. Thursday, sitting here in the afternoon with Dave and Sean, just chatting, and out of the blue, same rod off again. Lovely little scaly 21-pound mirror. Beautiful little fishes. Probably going to bash me up a little bit. Nick said he's never seen this on the bank. He reckons he's never seen this on the bank. Lovely little fish, that, isn't it? Right, while I was playing my fish, we've just netted it. Dad had his bay rod gone. That's a 41 mirror. It might be a fish that I've already had this week. We're going to double check, but it's still a lovely fish. A lovely fish. It might not be the fish I had, because like, the fish I had was red on the side and all. One more. Yeah, spin it around you right. Look, that range there, and one on the opposite side. And it's on his belly. Eh? On his belly, got red marks and all. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, I know, that's it. The other side of it, 41 mirror. Thursday now, Just gone 7 o'clock, dinner's on the go. Looks good. Seen a lot of fish showing today, loads of fish showing everywhere today, which is nice. Matey boy in 12 is absolutely hauling. He's just banked one and he's on in another fish again. I don't know how many he's had today. He's had loads today. I don't think, I mean, the one he's just putting back in the retainer I don't think looks big. But I mean, everything in here is a decent size. So when I say big, I mean sort of 30 plus. Everything in here is that sort of size. You get a couple of smaller ones like I had earlier, but they're not often. Most of the fish in here are a decent stamp. But he is absolutely hauling, this bloke. Yeah, I don't know how many he's had. He's had loads. He's lucky. I mean, the fish have been in there all week, and they've come in the last 24 hours in numbers in his bay, and he's fully capitalised on it. So good angling to him. He's doing well. Like, I mean, we've done alright. We're doing not too bad. But he's taking the piss. He's had loads. So yeah, good luck to him. Yeah. Don't know if he's had anything of any size today, but I don't know. I wouldn't even like to think how many he's had. He must have had 5, 6, maybe 7 fish today. He's proper on it. So yeah, good luck to him. He's playing another one now, so I'm sure if it's anything decent, it'll be on the radio. Let us know. But yeah, I don't even know. I'll find out tomorrow morning from Mick what he's had. We get an update every day from Mick telling us what's going on. Normally, if he has a big lump like he did yesterday, he'll give us a shout on the radio and we'll go around and have a little look. But it looks good. Rods are out. Looking pretty confident. It's fishing up in Dad's Bay again, which looks really, really good for it. And it's well cloudy in there. It looks proper. And then there's some fish boshing out over the top of my left and middle rods. It's just boshing out. So it looks good. I'm pretty confident that there's a good chance we might see a fish before dark on our bank. We're doing well, you know. It's only the guy in 12 who's sort of out fishing us at the moment. But yeah, that's fishing, and good luck to him, mate. He's doing fantastic. So yeah, that's it. I'll hopefully keep you posted and hopefully see you soon. But it's been nice, you know. I've had 3 runs in the last 12 hours. Was a lot. Before that, the last 48 hours I'd not had a touch, so it's been nice to get another spot going. I had a feeling there was fish on it all the time last 24 hours before that fish crashing over the same spot, so I just had to do it. And it's done 3 runs for me today. Dad's base spot is doing a run a day at the moment, which is nice, and it's known for doing big lumps in there as well. So you know, we're doing alright. We looked at the photos. Dad's had the 41 he had earlier. He's had that already this week at 41.4, I think, or something. So we've had 2 repeat captures in this swim already this week. So, but it doesn't take away from what we've done and what we've enjoyed and sort of the stamp of fish we're having. We're having a lot of fun, you know. We're enjoying it. Always seem to do on here. Always have fun. It's not an easy lake, but if you get it right, you can have some good results on here. So, yeah, hopefully see you soon. And hopefully it'll be with an absolute monster, a proper lump. Fingers crossed. We got to be due one, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Anyway, all right, speak soon. Alright, 11 o'clock Friday, very quiet. I think only 1 fish came out at all last night. I had one just on dark, a little mirror, just under £7, probably the smallest fish in the lake. They've definitely not stocked it, so it's obviously come on from spawn, so nice, you know, proper dustbin shape, so it looks like they'll put some size on. It'll be a double, mid-double before no time, that fish, especially if it's eating. So yeah, very quiet. Adam in 13's had one. He had I think mid-40 last night. Yes, fish have been showing in 13 quite a lot. They've definitely moved and spread out a lot. So I've seen a few fish crashing in front of us this morning, but not in numbers like they have been doing at all. So it's very, very quiet. The wind's changed direction a little bit as well. Not seen anything, just really, really dead. So anyway, it's another hot day. The shorts will be coming out soon. It's red hot. Just doing breakfast, early breakfast. We're going to have a little bit of a social barbecue this afternoon, the 4 of us. Be nice if we can get another couple of fish before the end of the week, but you know, we've had a blinding week, can't complain at all. I'm on 8 fish, Dad's on 7, we lost one apiece. Dave's on I think 4 or 5, I can't remember how many he's had. But yeah, it's been good. We've had some nice ones, the big uns, the real big uns have sort of avoided us this week, but I cannot complain. We've had a sort of fair few big 40s, nice 40s. I think we're on, what we had, 9 40s between me and Dad. So yeah, it's been pretty good. Can't complain. Yeah, I've had a really good week. Proper fun 10 days we've had. You know, Cedars was a good laugh. Had best part of 35 fish between me and Dad. Proper good bit of fun for 3 days. Good bit of sport, get me back into it because I've had a few months off. And it's been good on here. We've, you know, the lake's been kind to us this week. We've done some nice fish. So it's not over yet. There's plenty of time. And the way the fish were, got a little bit of a flat spot coming up over me right hand rod, believe it or not. Yeah, the way the fish have been sort of feeding yesterday time, there's always a chance, even in the heat of the day, of picking a fish up. So yeah, still pretty confident we might be able to pick another fish or 2 off. But I'm having a little look around now. There's nothing showing at all really, apart from that little flat spot just had come up in my spot then. But yeah, fingers crossed, might be able to show you another one. Always time for a decent one still, but we've had a really fun week. Another good week on here. Enjoyed it again. Not back here for 2 years now, which is a bit sad, but it's hard to get booked on here. So yeah, back on here in a couple of years. But yeah, I'll keep vlogging and I'll speak to you soon.
Right, look at the paddle on it.
Right, righty. What's it, about 10 to 1, Sean? Yeah. I've had this 53.12, first 50 of ours for the week. It's an absolute lovely fish, this.
Lovely. Look at the tail on it.
Absolute.
Isn't it?
That looks awesome. Bloody hell.
That is a lovely looking fish.
Beautiful, that is an absolute. He's finished yet.
The only thing that's wrong with it is the
Captain.
lovely mount.
Female.
Not ruined.
Beauty, that is an absolute stunning fish, that.
Just a shame about the captor.
Happy days, my first 50 this week. Lovely fish. Well pleased with that, well made up. Fish number 9. And I'd say, that's beautiful, look at that. You'll grab that camera, Sean, just film that quickly.
Get the other side as well, and watch the scale on the other side.
It's beautiful, look at it.
Show them the other side, look, it's got some nice scale on the other side.
That's a bonny fish, that, isn't it?
You get it with it going back or what?
Oh, yeah, I'm going to do it underwater.
How much that get it up? Wow, look at that thickness of that. Yeah, with his hand on it.
You should see the 90 end though. Oh, mental that.
It's in the hundreds going on.
Look, you tell that. That one scale here, look.
Look, yeah, it's November again. It's snowing next.
Cracking fish.
Nara's going to have a dilemma now because his handles on his reels are all to cock. He's just had a shower and he's wet through, so he's going to have to go back and pamper himself once again.
Well worth it.
Right, we'll turn it off for a minute.
O'clock Friday afternoon. Fish number 10. Was it 33? Woo! And we're angry.
It's a nice fish.
33, 14 or 33, 12. 33, 12. 33-12 we rough. Number 10 for me. Lovely fish. One more extra fish. Lovely fish. Same spot again. Been doing a lot of fishing with this spot now. Second fish today. I think I had 3 and lost one on it yesterday. So yeah. Doing quite nice in this spot. Beautiful scarf on it. Lovely fish, isn't it? Lovely fish, really nice. Fish number 10. Especially, it's nice, isn't it? It's good. Happy as Larry. Fish number 10, please. ~7 Friday night, last night, after a red hot day and a barbecue, mid barbecue I had that 30, it was gone from red hot to completely overcast and right moody, very carpy. Seen a couple of fish showing, rods are all redone. I've put 2 rods on that spot I've been having me fish from now. I've spread them apart, they're probably 20-25 yards apart out there, but it's shit or bust I think. I'll either get a couple of fish or nothing else, but I can't complain. I've had 10 fish now, very happy. I think Dad's on 7. So we've had a fantastic week between us. Only matey boy in 12's done better than us. So yeah, can't complain. Had a good week, another good week on here. Just been consistently just plodding away, picking a few fish off, and yeah, it's been a good week. Really enjoyed it. Hopefully there might be more fish still in it for us. Still a chance for another biggie. It's full moon tonight, so you never know. Big fish moon, innit? But with this cloud, it might not even come through, but you never know. Still a good chance, really. Still a few more hours before dark. Still a good chance for fish before dark. We've seen fish real close to us as well, so yeah, fingers crossed we'll catch one.
With expectations high for the last night, the night went through very uneventful at all. No one had nothing. So before we knew it, Saturday morning, time to reel in. But reflecting back on a great session, we had a cracking session. You know, can't complain at all with 10 fish. Very good week. Topping off with that 50. Really happy with what I've caught this week. You know, far exceeded what I was expecting. You know, really done well this week. Had a really good week. So it's a shame we're not back here for a few years. But as all sessions come to an end, it's time to reel the rods in. And hopefully, guys, I'll see you on the bank sometime soon.